Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited continued to benefit from rising traffic volumes and the expansion of its toll road network during the March 2026 quarter, with the company reporting a double-digit growth in both revenue and profit. For the quarter, the group generated revenues of $29 million, representing a 29% increase over the $22.5 million recorded in the corresponding period last year. The addition of the Maypen to Williamsfield leg contributed $3.5 million during the quarter, accounting for approximately 12% of the total group revenue. The company also pointed to higher commuter traffic across the network, continued expansion in electronic toll tag adoption, and improved throughput and operational efficiencies as drivers of the stronger performance. Net profit for the quarter climbed 46% to $13.2 million, compared with $9.1 million in the corresponding period last year. The increase was attributed to higher pre-tax earnings, partially offset by income tax expenses of $3.5 million. And despite uncertainty in the business environment, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation says opportunities still exist for entrepreneurs willing to adapt and embrace new technology. Acting Chief Executive Officer of the JBDC, Harold Davis, says the agency is rolling out green technology initiatives aimed at helping businesses become more resilient and sustainable.
Sir, we just signed an agreement with UNIDO to help businesses that were affected in the agro-industrial sector, to help them again to build back more sustainably, more resilient and stronger.
With uncertainty affecting business confidence, Davis said now is still a good time to start a business, but entrepreneurs must carefully evaluate how they operate, particularly by leaning more heavily into digitization while identifying emerging opportunities within the local market.
There's agro-industrial sectors. We'll always need to feed ourselves. There's always need for food security, especially what's going on now globally.
Yeah.
There's always going to be need for food security. So that
David,
is always.
You're saying get into farming?
Get into farming, get into the agro-processing.
So everything that surrounds farming, distribution,
yes.
Okay.
But get into it, not hoe and fork. Get into it with technology-driven farming. Agrotech is where it's at. Agrotech is where it's at. And more and more young persons are getting into agriculture, but it's agrotech.
He was speaking on JBDC's YouTube channel, Get the Facts, on Monday. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.